You were aware of what present times would be like before you choose to incarnate. You knew that in this life, you would have reviews of chaos and confusion because Earth and the collective was going to enter into the procedure of evolving past the hypnotized nation focus, managing her for eons. Earth is transferring beyond the dens and folds and into the diactyl, in which energies of a higher resonance will permeate the whole lot and every person opportunities to evolve into an cognizance of oneness with God and each other. You, who are spiritually developed and awake, had been given permission and even endorsed to be on the earth for these times, in which the light of your evolved recognition could automatically add a light to the collective. There had been many who wanted to be on the planet for those times, but were no longer allowed because they did not yet keep sufficient light to really help with Earth's ascension method. Relationships and partnerships built on the stable basis of actual interconnectedness need everyday nurturing, and that includes not hiding your love, however backing it up with phrases and gestures on a daily basis. Kindness, gentleness, information, and forgiveness are to support human relationships. What subjects is that you are conscious that everyone, your relationships, want everyday care and attention. Day by day incarnation of human beings determines the extent of peace, pleasure, and harmony in human society. It isn't always the one-time social celebration inside the annual cycle. However, it is the everyday little things that strengthen a relationship and stabilize the connection. It is in the small things that the splendid things are discovered, and it's far in the everyday things that the nice of relationships is revealed. Nurture the seed of love so that it is able to sprout and grow. In a world as dense as Earth, with practically sludge-like movement of low-light particles, turbulence is only natural as the energies are amplified. 48 times in the coming days and weeks in advance, for you to speed up the vibration of the light particles, with the light quotient growing significantly in a totally quick quantity of time. The DNA of every person is being infused with this higher light, consequently creating sure discomfort for a few, drama, perhaps elements. However, this is all in practice for the total embodiment of your soul self. The human state, the animal state, the elementals, the waters, the lands, all is being cleansed and reset now in practice for this great and most particle change to ever occur in this universe. With this also comes a change in the technological and economical areas. The 3D economy is already going through a level of deconstruction. This will get chaotic for a touch whilst, although it is essential, as something wondrous will emerge from the ashes. Earth is the manifestation of a concept in divine thoughts, and as such automatically embodies all the qualities of divine consciousness: completeness, wholeness, peace, love, abundance, harmony, intelligence in fullness. As with every appearances, what human eyes see as Earth is a third-dimensional, material concept of God's best divine idea. Earth and all life forms on it are one, being of every shape of creativity on all ranges. Man, through the ignorance of three-dimensional questioning based in duality and separation, has come to trust that he is the only and highest form of existence. The elemental, nature, spirit, plant, and animal kingdoms are real. As mankind spiritually awakens, he is going to start to recognize and accept this, creating a world in which peaceful and loving interactions between all expressions of God are the norm. There are not any accidents, even though it appear that way. There is no death, best a change of location in every person's ongoing adventure toward understanding that they are an endless and best expression of God. Separation is a dream that has hypnotized the humans of Earth for a very long time. However, increasingly, more are equipped to just accept and stay from a better level of attention. It is not possible for any form of life to be cut loose God. However, should something exist outside of that is omnipresent. Do you believe in an omnipresent, all-powerful God, or do you not? It is vital to ask yourself this query. Attaining an awareness of oneness with God and all its expressions in the evolutionary journey that each one is on and nobody can avoid. As you move about your day, let a little part of your cognizance always understanding the fact of who and what you are, and releasing any closing concepts about ceremony, Sunday church, saints, or traditions as being vital for God connection.